Hi, I'm here to talk with you a little bit today about the System Administration Specialist program at Madison Area Technical College. First, you might wonder, so what really is system administration? Well, if you ever logged on at any account, whether it's to, schedule a medical appointment, check your credit card balance, that type of thing, those user accounts have to be created and they have to be secured and able to access the resources that you want to be able to access. So that whole process of creating user accounts, securing resources on a network, that's all really what system administration is all about. So if you want to look if you want more information on this big picture wise on our website, you can just do a search for madisoncollege.edu, and it's IT System Administration Specialist. This gives you an overview of the program. There's a video down here you can watch as well. If you jump to the curriculum tab, this is going to show you the required classes to complete the 2-year associate degree. You don't necessarily have to take them in the order that they're listed here, but these are the suggested order. So we've got, if you're going to be full-time, this could be a way that you take the order that you take the classes over a 2-year period. You don't have to do it full-time. If you come back part-time, there are specific classes probably that I'd recommend. This enterprise client class is an excellent class to start out at. If you click on the class, you're going to see some of the more detailed description. It's also going to give you information if there are prerequisites. So a prerequisite just means that you need to take one class before you can take the next. And this will list all that information on these pages right here. So what this is, the enterprise client class is probably the first class that you use virtualization in. So virtualization is the process of building a virtual machine. You'll do this in the first few weeks of the class. So you have some software. We use VMware Workstation. You create a virtual client in this case, and you'll save it on your external drive. You can plug it in and access it from multiple devices. So that's the whole concept with virtualization. As you go down the list here, we've got a broad overview of classes. So system administration gives you, again, experience in virtualization. You get some networking, some Cisco courses. You've got some security classes. We'll do some scripting in some of these. In the infrastructure automation class is a scripting, a very useful tool in automating processes for system administrators, and you'll get some cloud computing as well. And then there's some room for electives. So if you're interested, a special interest in some of these, you can work those in as well. So that's what I'd kind of an overview of the courses. And it's an exciting area to go into. Madison College has got an excellent IT program. The teachers here are all very approachable, very happy to help you with scheduling or other questions that you got, or steering you to the right people if they don't know the answers themselves. The instructors here have years of experience in the industry, so it's a good place to go and learn about IT. Let me just pull this over. This is an example of a virtual machine. I'm doing this introduction on a Windows 10 PC, but this is actually a Windows server. So if I click on this, I'm going to log on as a domain administrator. And so this is an example of virtualization. This is a server operating system, Windows Server 2016, and it's borrowing the resources of my host PC, and I'm running it on here. If in this class, you'll get to do some Windows Server administration tasks. You'll learn DHCP, DNS, Active Directory, group policy. If I want to see all those users I was talking about earlier, Active Directory users, and here's is where the users are going to be located. So this is as easy as it is to go in. You can look at this guest account. I could reset the password. I could go to the properties. I could disable it. You can see exactly the nuts and bolts of what happens with these user accounts. So think of this the next time you log on no matter where it is, whether it's to your PC, you're checking your Gmail, all those, wherever you're logging onto an account, somebody had to have set a user account up for you. And really, that's what system administration is about. It's cleaning user accounts, protecting resources, make sure that people can access the resources that they need to be able to access. So you made a good decision in coming to Madison College. Look forward to seeing you when the classes start, and you can always let any of us know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot, and good luck with the rest of the process.